Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome and thank you for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of what is included in the Haunted Mansion page kit. If you'd like to pick up one of these kits, please check the description below this video. You'll find a link to my Etsy shop where you can find all kinds of fun projects. I not only create page kits for you, I also create mini albums. So let's dive right in. So this is a 2-page layout. Each page measures 12 by 12. And in your kit, you will receive a sheet of instructions. There are full color photos as well as step-by-step instructions on how to put the layout together. On the back, I have also printed a very large photo to help in paper piecing. Okay, you will receive 2 12 by 12 background papers. You will need to trim down the barcodes so the background paper measures 12 by 12. You will receive photo mats that are already pre-cut for you. You do not have to trim these down. Just glue them on when you're ready. The larger pieces are loose in your kit, just like this. And the smaller pieces come individually packaged in their own little baggies for each image set. There are small pieces in here, so please be very careful not to lose or misplace these. But if you have any issues, please feel free to message me. Again, if you'd like to pick up one of these kits, please check the description below this video. There is a link to my Etsy shop. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.